Good afternoon, students. Today we are learn our next concept of third chapter, that is column chart and bar chart. In my previous lecture we learn line chart. So let's start, students. First is column chart. So look here. A column chart is useful when we have to show data change. It is useful when we have to show data change over a period of time. This chart illustrates comparison among data items. It is comparison of data items. The column chart represents each data point in a series by a column. It is represent data point in series with the help of column. The columns rise from the axis. The columns rise from x-axis. It is rise from x-axis. This type of chart is important when height of any individual point is more important than the trends among data points in a series. This is important when the height of any individual point is more important than trends data point in a series. So next is bar chart. Like a column chart, a bar chart is also illustrate comparison among individual items. It is similar to the column chart. Why? It is comparison among individuals atom, comparison between individuals atoms. In this chart, categories are vertically present and values are horizontally organized. Categories are vertically organized and horizontally organized are values. So XY chart or scatter chart. An XY chart plots each point with a marker and connect the points in each series with a line. In XY chart, plot each point with the help of marker and connect the points in each series with a line. Connect point with series by the line. The difference between the line chart and XY chart is that the XY chart has numbers on its x-axis instead of text labels. This means that the x-axis tick marks are spaced according to their values and not just evenly spaced along the axis. So next, the XY chart is often used without any line connected the data marker. That is way we can call this type of chart is scatter chart. This chart is also known as scatter chart. The scatter chart is helpful only in such situations when there are many data points. When it is used, there are many data points. In situation when there are many data points but trends in their rise and fall is not important. So look here, students. Here is the XY chart and scatter chart, and this is bar chart and this is column chart. So understand? So in your homework, write this information for 1 times